Hello everyone, I'm Quentin here, I'm at Brightwell's. Today I'm going to give you a closer look around this Austin-Healey 3000 BJ8. This car came over from the States in around, I believe, 1989. It came over a couple other cars, a Jaguar E-Type and an XK140. All three cars were in need of restoration, and I believe it was about 1991 this car finally got around to getting an engine rebuild. It was then used rather sparingly, and we don't know too much about its history until about 2011 when it was picked up by our vendor. He then went around, slowly restored the whole thing. It's got all new brightwork, had a full respray about 10 years ago. I believe it's a new second-hand interior, however it does look very smart. It presents really nicely. It's in its original factory colour, and it looks great. It's been done to the best of our vendor's abilities and really does look nice. It's been used about 500 miles a year, judging by its MOT history, so our vendor's basically been able to drive it a little bit through the summer, maybe through the winter months when time and finance allows, do a little bit more on it. Look around the car, it seems pretty much all ready to go. It was driven here to the sale. The only things that our vendor has mentioned we'll need doing is the roof. If we have a look at the hood, you'll see what our vendor has mentioned. He bought a new vinyl for it, but wasn't too comfortable in getting it all pulled nice and taut through the frame and getting all the wrinkles and things out. But it is all new, it just needs a little bit of minor fettling just to get it spot on. Right, we're going to do a sound check now, and then we'll take it outside for a little drive. So inside, we can see we've got lovely oxblood leather interior with a walnut dash. It's a 4-speed manual. It really is quite smart in here. I think it looks like the original steering wheel. The vendor's kept nice little details like that. It has the original Austin-Healey badge on the front, but I think all the other chrome work has been replaced or re-chromed, I believe, by a company in Birmingham. And yeah, it really does look quite smart. Any questions, you can email me directly at quintin.hayward@brightwells.com or get in contact through the Contact Us page on the website.